What's inside your Jollibee?
Sabi yung characters and the blind box.
Huh? Blind box. We don't know what's inside. Later natin tingnan sa car, okay?
I'm not sure if it is Hello Kitty, my love. Sinunod ko yung Papa Pig. I don't know. What's that? Wonder Wheel.
Wonder Wheel. You keep wondering what's inside.
That's why it's called Wonder Wheel. I can't hold it.
You open the first one.
I wonder who's my guest.
Careful ha, Daddy's driving. We're gonna go.
How many did you buy?
Apat.
Did you buy?
Ah, it's really close, so you really don't know what's inside pala.
Yeah.
Naka-seal.
Oh!
What's inside daw?
Oh! It has a picture. Look! It's Hello Kitty.
Ito?
It's Hello Kitty.
How did you know that? We're so wobbly in the car.
But it has a picture. Oh, it's not. I guess it's. I didn't guess
Where's
it.
that? Parang Cherokee yan, kulay green. Hindi?
Wait. Who do I match?
You get muna the character before the parts of it. Asan yung character?
Okay. I guess it. It's on the airplane.
Sino yan? Si?
I didn't
Can I
know.
see?
I didn't know it's you, boys. I didn't know it's you.
Such a cutie.
What are we gonna do with this?
Mamaya na natin i-assemble. Open mo muna yung iba. What else do you have? Okay, so this one goes to this box.
So, the first one we got is Pochaco.
Pochaco. Okay,
I
next.
wonder who's the next one.
Next.
Could it be? I don't know, whoever. It's a blind box. Never mind. Oh, it's not Hello Kitty because it only has a picture of the instructions.
Oh, find mo yung ear part.
Oh, there it is. There. Look. There.
Itawin mo na yun para madaling
There.
Lagay ko dito sa box mo.
It's, oh?
Sino yan?
Again?
What? Is it the same?
No. No.
Oh no!
No.
Ba't puro ganito?
I got the wrong one.
Okay, next. Because it's a blind box. Makikipag-change tayo pag may mga kukuha na iba. Tanungin natin si Tita Beth pag nagano siya. Pag ganyan. But we got two of Pochaco. Can't believe.
No.
I'll try to open that one.
We didn't get the other characters.
Okay. Baka puro ganyan yan. Hindi man lang minutes ni ate. What? Oh no, Daddy! We got another 3 of them already. Another one. Come on, let's try. Si ate naman, di minix. Come on. Dinasalan na.
I don't want to. I think it's Pochaco again.
Try.
Nahilo na yung head.
Oo nga, nahilo na rin ako. Open. Saka puro si Pochaco ni-release nila.
Hindi lahat.
Ba yan?
May ano lang, may time.
Tatlo na? Ano ba yan, Dad?
Magkano yun? Ano yung bibilin lang talaga?
Tingnan mo nga, ibang color na ba yan? Ngiti, anong color na yan? Ano, green na naman? No?
No!
Seryoso? Why are they like that?
Pochaco na.
Mahanap tayo sa iba, okay?
Pero
Puro Pochaco daw. What can you say about your blind box?
Funny.